Hello students, this is the 9th part of integrations. So today I am going to explain problems based on integration by parts and also some important results. So today's first problem is this. These all problem, most of the problems based on one important result. What is the result? I will write here. Okay, integral of e power x into f of x plus f dash of x dx is equal to e power x into f of x plus c. Already established fact nana this one. So by using this result I can complete 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 problems. Okay, first of all I want to write 16th problem, that is e power x, integral of e power x into sin x plus cos x dx. So problem is directly in the form of e power into f of x. This is f of x, this is becomes f dash of x, because sin x derivative is cos x. Directly I can write answer is e power x into f of x into sin x plus c. This is the answer for the problem. Now 17th problem, integral of e power x into x by 1 plus x whole square. Problem is not directly not in standard form. So we need to convert it into standard form. Students, listen here. What I am doing, e power x as it is, this function should be rearranged. So I will show you how to rearrange the function. So x, one added, numerator one subtracted, by x plus 1 whole square. This can be written as x plus 1 by x plus 1 whole square minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square. This is nothing but, now I am right, this is 1 by 1 plus x plus minus 1 by 1 plus x whole square. Now observe, derivative of this function is this one only. Okay, find out, now derivative of 1 by 1 plus x is nothing but minus 1 by 1 plus x square only. So directly what I can write now, this is answer as e power x into 1 by 1 plus x plus c. This is the answer for the problem. Okay. Similarly, 18th, also some interesting thing, 18th. So 18th problem. So what is that? Integral of e power x into 1 plus sin x by 1 plus cos x dx. Students, listen, our intention is inside the bracket should have the form f of x plus f dash of x. Okay, try to convert it in the form of f of x plus f dash of x. Okay, so what I am doing here, instead of 1 only I am writing sin x, means I can write 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2, half angle formula. Okay, so here 1 plus cos x, 1 plus 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1 I can write. This is 1 plus 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 by cos square x by 2. Sorry, 2 cos square x by 2. Okay. Now split this. Yeah, what happened? 2 secant square x by 2 plus here what happened? One cos get cancelled, tan x by 2. So I will write that one only. Integral of e power x into what should I write? Tan x by 2 plus 2 secant square x by 2 dx. Now students, if tan x by 2 derivative is 2 secant square x by 2 only, I will explain you. Tan x means secant square x, means secant square x by 2, inner function x by 2 derivative 1 by 2. Okay, so what happened here? Derivative of tan x by 2 is nothing but secant square x by 2 into 1 by 2. Okay, that only you want, no? What I wrote here wrong, this is actually 1 by 2, 1 by this, no? Okay, I will write 1 by 2 only, no problem. So what happened here? Tan x by 2 derivative, secant square x by 2 into 1 by 2. What is the meaning of that? This is taken as f of x, so this becomes f dash of x. So directly I can say the answer for the problem, that is, so I will write, no need to write, okay, directly I can say no, okay, is equal to e power x, f of x tan x by 2, tan x by 2 plus c. This is the answer for the problem. Okay. 18 completed. Next 19th problem. Yeah, 19th direct form e power x into 1 by x plus minus 1 by x square dx. 1 by x derivative minus 1 by x square only, that's so directly I can say that e power x into 1 by x plus c, some constant. Okay, 20th problem, e power x is involved, means that we need to convert the inner function of the form f of x plus f dash of x. F of x into x minus 1 minus 2 by x minus 1 square I can write now, first step. So I will explain here. So 1 by x minus 1 minus 2 by x minus 1 square only, no? Okay, or here I can write plus, here I can write minus. Observe, derivative of this function, anything wrong? Here correct only, no? Minus 1 cube is there here, no? Sorry, cube is given here. That's what happened, this square will get here, okay. Now try to find derivative of this function, and I think that one only I will show you. So yeah, minus 1 into 2 into x minus 1 by x minus 1 power 4, derivative of this one, derivative of this function, d by dx of this function. So once cancel under condition x is not equal to 1. So is here not mentioned, no, x is equal to 1. Problem only saying that x should not be equal to 1, here only. Okay, I can cancel. What happened? Minus 2 by x minus 1 cube, that one only, second part that one only. So what I can say, given problem is of the form e power x into f of x plus f dash of x. So now directly I can say my answer is e power x into, what is, I forgot, okay, I will write again, no, wait, what I wrote again I want to write. So what is this? 1 by x minus 1 square plus minus 2 by x minus 1 cube. Okay, now okay. So this is f of x, means automatically this becomes f dash of x. My answer is e power x into 1 by x minus 1 square plus c. Okay, students, next problem is 21 problem. So I is equal to integration of e power 2x into sin x. Yeah, we want to find integration of this function. So need to use integration by parts. So first of all, I want to take, this is second function, this is first function. Okay, I is equal to e power 2x into integration of sin x minus derivative of e power 2x is e power 2x into 2 only into integration of sin x as it is, yeah, dx and dx. This is the first step of the problem. Or I is equal to e power 2x, integration of sin x is minus cos x, okay, minus, yeah, e power 2x into 2, I will write here 2, no problem. Here minus cos x, I will write here plus cos x dx. Should again here in this area I want to use again integration by parts concept. So what happened to this? I is equal to minus e power 2x into cos x plus 2, start bracket. Again this is taken as second function, this is taken as first function. E power 2x into integration of cos x sin x, directly I want to step down here, minus derivative of e power 2x is e power 2x into 2 into sin x dx. Close the bracket. So here only I want to write everything. Students listen. So now I is equal to, yeah, minus e power 2x into cos x plus 2 into e power 2x into sin x. Here 1 2 is there, no, with these two minus 4 times of e power 2x into sin x dx. So here interesting step for us, sorry, I equal to minus e power 2x into cos x, yeah, plus 2 into e power 2x into sin x. What happened? Minus 4i I can write. I know this one, I, problem only, I. So 5i is equal to, So what I did now here, just I transferred as minus 4a to left hand side. 4i equal to e power 2x is taken common, 2 sin x minus cos x. So now I am finalizing. Now I am finalizing. I want I equal to e power 2x by 5 times of 2 sin x minus cos x plus c. This is the answer for the problem. Okay students, our next problem, 22nd problem. Yeah, integral of sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square dx. We know that sin inverse of sin theta equal to theta under condition, means particular values of theta, sin inverse of sin theta equal to theta. So my intention is I want to take x value so that this becomes sin function. Let x equal to tan theta. Then 2x by 1 plus x square equal to 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta, which is nothing but sin 2 theta formula. Okay, one more thing, if x is taken as tan theta, then dx becomes secant square theta into d theta. So I can say I this one, now I becomes sin inverse of sin 2 theta, instead of dx what I can write, secant square theta d theta I can write. So what happened to I nana, I is equal to integral of 2 theta into secant square theta d theta, or I is equal to 2 into integral of theta into secant square theta d theta. Here onwards you need to use integration by parts. So better function, integration of secant square theta. What is that nana? Tan theta, you know, because tan theta differentiation is secant square theta. That's why I want to take this is second function, this is I want to take as first function. Okay. Students, I want to write it as I is equal to, no, I will write neatly in a separate area, Okay, what I got again I will write now, I is equal to 2 times of integral of theta into secant square theta d theta. Okay. Yeah, now I want to use integration by parts. I want to use this is second function, this is the first function. So I equal to 2 times of theta into integral of secant square theta d theta minus integration of theta differentiation is 1, secant square theta integration is tan theta into d theta. I wrote here direct step now. Okay, I is equal to 2 theta into tan theta minus 2 into logarithm of cos theta plus c. But what I took now here, x is taken as tan theta, but my answer should be in terms of x. That's why I equal to 2 into, instead of theta what I can write now, tan inverse of x I can write under condition. Always I am repeatedly saying that under condition problem is given. Okay, tan theta means x I can write minus 2 into logarithm of plus c. Here interesting step, tan theta simple trigonometric ratio, no, that one. So this is x1, actually root over x square plus 1. What I want cos theta is 1 by that. So directly I can write 1 by root over 1 plus x square, or I can write here plus and I can write 2 times of log of root over 1 plus x square plus c. So I will write that here, or I is equal to 2 into tan inverse of x into x. minus plus 2 into logarithm of mod of root over x square plus 1. More generally, you can write log of x square plus 1 also, that is not a big problem. Okay students, now 23rd problem. 23rd problem is substitution. After that, integration by parts. Let x cube equal to some t, then 3x square into dx equal to dt. Instead of x square into dx, I can write dt by 3. I can say this is I in a problem. Now what happened to I equal to integral of this x square into dx, I can write dt by 3, I will write here dt by 3 into e power t. So what happened to that? I is equal to 1 by 3 into integral of e power t dt. No need to use integration by parts for especially for this problem. I equal to 1 by 3 to e power t, integration e power t only, plus c. But instead of t, I can write x cube here. 1 by 3 into e power x cube plus c. This is the answer for the problem. Now I want to check which option satisfies. Yeah, first option only satisfying. 1 is correct answer. Okay. Next problem. Yeah. Next 24th problem. Objective type. E power x is involved and something is involved, means try to write this something in the form of f of x plus f dash of x if possible. E power x into secant x plus secant x into tan x. Directly, this is taken as f of x. Automatically this f dash of x only. That's what I can say. E power x into secant x plus c is the answer for the problem. E power x into secant x. So B is the correct answer for the problem. Okay students. So in this way you can complete some problems for the concept integration by parts. So student, this is an important result. So first of all, let I is equal to integral of secant cube x dx. So this I can be written as integral of secant x into secant square x dx, because secant square x integration is tan x, that's why you want to take this is second function. No, this is as a first function. According to the integration by parts, I can write secant x into integration of secant square x minus integration of derivative of secant x into integration of secant square x dx. So total dx. Okay. So this can be written as I is equal to secant x into tan x minus integration of differentiation of secant x into tan x into this is another tan x into dx. So what I can say here, I is equal to secant x into tan x minus integration of secant x into tan square x, I can write tan square x dx, or here integration of secant x into secant square x minus 1 dx, I can write. Students, reason what happening here, I is equal to secant x into tan x as it is minus integration of secant cube x dx, okay, plus integration of secant x dx. Students, the interesting thing is this is nothing but problem. I can say I. Okay, that is I equal to secant x into tan x minus I plus integration of secant x dx. Okay. So transfer minus I to left hand side, you get 2i. 2i equal to secant x into tan x plus logarithm of secant x plus tan x, standard result, no? Integral of secant x, standard result, logarithm of secant x plus tan x plus c. Now I am finalizing Therefore our I is equal to 1 by 2 times of secant x into tan x, secant x into tan x, plus logarithm of secant x plus tan x mod close. Here you can write c or 2c or whatever it may be. So this is the final result. You should remember none of this important one. Okay. So next concept, important concept, some standard substitutions. Already our second part only substitutions, but some standard substitutions. So if any of your problem of this form or this form, directly instead of x write a sin theta or a cos theta and proceed, then you will get the result. Students, if any problem in this form, root over a square minus x square or 1 by root over a square minus x square, okay, directly substitute x equal to a sin theta or x equal to a cos theta and proceed. Okay. So for example, for this problem, this method is applicable or direct method. This is just like 1 by root over 1 minus x square. No? Integral of 1 by root over 1 minus x square means what? No? Sin inverse of x only. Here a is there. What is that? Sin inverse of x by a. That also equal to this one only, or while substituting either x equal to a sin theta or a cos theta, also you get the same result. Actually, what is this? Nana? Second part I am explaining. Integral of 1 by root over a square minus x square dx. Actually, how can you write, Nana? Integral of 1 by here a of 1 minus x by a whole square I can write dx, or 1 by a into integral of 1 by root over 1 minus x by a whole square. Okay, don't confuse here. Don't write that this is a tan sin inverse of don't write, Nana, this is a sin inverse of x by a. That is wrong. So let x by a equal to t. Then what is dx? Dx equal to dt into a. This constant, no. That's instead of dx, what I get, dt into a should write here instead of this. I will write, Nana, 1 by a into integral of 1 by root over 1 minus t square into dt into a. This a get cancelled. Finally, what I got? Root over 1 minus t square into dt. What is this? Sin inverse of t plus c. So sin inverse of t means what? T is, what is that? X by a, no? X by a plus c. So finally, what I can say, second part is nothing but sin inverse of x by a. This second part. Okay, students. But if you write here directly, your answer becomes wrong. 1 by a into sin inverse of x by is wrong. What is the actual answer, Nana? Sin inverse of x by a only. That's why don't substitute here. So that is not in the direct in the form of 1 by root over 1 minus x square. X square not, something is there, x by a. That's why you can't apply directly. That's why x by a is taken as t. Then after you got the function of the form 1 by root over 1 minus x 1 by t square into dt. Now this is standard form. Okay. In this way you can find its integration, or what here title and some important substitution. If problem is given in this way, take x as a cos theta or a sin theta, or problem is given in this way. So directly I can say sin inverse of x by a, or you can substitute also. I will show you. So integral of 1 by root over a square minus x square dx is given. Put x equal to a sin theta. Dx equal what, Nana? A cos theta into d theta. So what happened to the problem? 1 by root over a square minus a square sin square theta into a cos theta d theta. So what under condition, what I can say, this is a cos theta into a cos theta d theta. What I can say, 1 into d theta. What is the meaning of the theta plus c? Theta means what, Nana, here? What I took, theta means what here? X by a equal to sin theta, or theta equal what? Sin inverse of x by a. Instead of theta, what I can write? Sin inverse of x by a plus c. Anyway, you get that result only. 1 by root over a square minus x square is remembered as sin inverse of x by a. Should for a second problem is then root over a square minus x square. To find its integration, so by using integration by parts you can find out, or by use substitutions. So substitutions gives us to find a solution easily. Okay, that's why the title is given some standard substitutions. If any problem is in this form, directly put x equal to a sin theta, x equal to a cos theta and proceed. Okay, so actually I want to find the integration of root over a square minus x square here only. Okay, put x equal to a sin theta, then dx equal what nana, a cos theta d theta. So I can say this is I. Now what happened to I equal to integral of root over a square minus a square sin square theta into a cos theta into d theta. I will write here. So under condition what I can, a square into cos square theta d theta. Okay. So why I am saying under condition, actually 1 minus sin square theta root over means mod cos theta, actually that one. Okay. So here what happened, a square integral cos square theta d theta, direct formula is not there for finding integration of cos square theta, we need to convert it into cos 2 theta now. So that's why what I can write this one, integral of 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2 d theta. Okay, so what is this nana, a square of integration of 1 by 2 d theta plus 1 by 2 integration of cos 2 theta d theta. So what is this, a square into, so this is theta by 2 plus 1 by 2 into sin 2 theta by 2. Okay friends, what you will get I will write here. Yeah, a square into theta by 2, or a square should be right outside is better now. Okay, theta by 2 plus 1 by 4 into sin 2 theta, that one minute, sin 2 theta plus c. But your answer should be in terms of a's and x only, no? So what we took, x equal to taken as a sin theta. So theta means what, sin inverse of a square by 2 I will write here into sin inverse of x by a plus 1 by 2 into, yeah, sin 2 theta means what, 2 sin theta into cos theta, 2 sin theta into cos theta plus 1 2 get cancelled. So finally a square by 2 times of sin inverse of x by a plus sin theta means what should I write, x by a, and cos theta means what should I write then, root over 1 minus x square by a square plus c. Listen students, this is difficult one. Yeah, so finally what is this equal to, a square into a square by 2 into sin inverse of x by a plus x by a square into root over a square minus x square. Okay, sure. Or another words I can say that a square by 2 into sin inverse of x by a plus, here a square get cancelled, x by 2 into root over a square minus x square plus c. Now onwards this is remembered as integration of root over a square minus x square. I will write none, I will write here, see here. Therefore integration of root over a square minus x square dx remembered as a square by 2 into sin inverse of x by a plus x by 2 into root over a square minus x square plus c. Okay, should remember nana, should remember. So already I told this very difficult chapter. So chapter is fully depend upon memory. You need to memorize so many results. This is one of such result. Okay, just now explained how to find the integral of root over a square minus x square and integral of 1 by root over a square x square. This is not big problem, this should be remembered. Okay, so how I proved, by using substitutions. Without using substitutions also you can find. I will show you. Let I equal to integral of 1 into root over a square minus x square dx. So here I want to use integration by parts. For that, integration of this, if you take this is second function, this is first function, again you get problem only. That's why this is taken as first function, this should be taken as second function. That's why what I can write in a root over a square minus x square into integral of 1 dx minus integral of differentiation of first function, that is root of a square minus x square differentiation into integral of 1 dx totally integration. So what I can write, this is root over a square minus x square into x I can write minus integration of 1 by 2 into root over a square minus x square inner function, that is minus 2x into x, so dx. Okay students, now I want to write this as root over a square minus x square into x minus, here students listen, this two get cancelled, so totally plus integration of x square by root over a square minus x square dx. So how I am solving this, observe students. So somewhere I want to write, here I want to write I equal to root over a square minus x square into x plus integration of x square, what should I write? Okay, better to use minus only, I want to use minus here, a square minus x square minus a square by root over a square minus x square. Observe what I did, so this a square get cancelled, after multiplying minus we will get same thing. Please, I equal to root over a square minus x square into x minus, what I can write, this is a square minus x square by root over a square minus x square integration dx. Okay, inside bracket only, minus a square by root over a square minus x square into dx. One more integration and flower bracket. Now I want to write, okay, I is equal to, students, root over a square minus x square into x minus integration of root over a square minus x square, because problem is x by root x form, that is root x only, dx minus into minus plus a square into integration of 1 by root over a square minus x square dx. This is final. Okay, now instead of this I can write I, transfer that side, 2i equal to root over a square minus x square into x plus a square into, what is the directly sine inverse of x by only, that one, plus c. Final I am writing, I equal to x by 2 into root over a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sine inverse of x by a plus c. In this way we need to remember. Okay, so both the cases or both the methods give same result. So root over x square, root over a square minus x square remembered as x by 2 into root over a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sine inverse of x by a plus c. Okay students, this is the first type. Next, if any problem of this form, observe 1 by x square plus a square or root over a square plus x square or 1 by a square plus x square, take x as a tan theta or a cot theta and proceed. Okay students, listen, 1 by a square plus x square dx given. So what I can write, this is 1 plus x by a whole square into 1 by a square dx. Let x by a equal to t, then dx equal to what happened, a dt. Okay, so this is same as 1 by a square into integral of 1 by 1 plus t square into a dt. 1a get cancelled. What happened, 1 by a into integral of 1 by 1 plus t square into dt. What is that, Nana? 1 by a into tan inverse of t. So 1 by a into tan inverse of t means what? X by a only. So 1 by a square plus x square integral is remembered as tan inverse of x by a into 1 by a plus c. Okay, but what about this and what about this? To find their integrals, just use substitutions. Okay, without substitutions also you can find. So without substitution means you need to use integration by parts, but this is special type. In our books they are giving in hyperbolic functions. Don't use hyperbolic function because hyperbolic function concept not given for mains and advanced syllabus. Okay, yeah, in this way you can find out, Nana. Means in this way, since substitutions, you can substitute, you get the result. Okay, here also fifth form. If any problem in this form, directly substitute x equal a tan square theta or x equal a secant square theta and proceed. Okay, if any problem in this form, put x equal a cos square theta plus b sin square theta and proceed. If any problem in this form, put x equal a secant square theta minus b tan square theta and proceed. Or any problem in this form, put x minus a is equal to t square or x minus t square and proceed. Okay. So sometimes without using these substitutions also you can find, Nana. If you use substitutions, the procedure becomes easy, or your process becomes easy to solve the problem. Okay.